and welcome to the video. This is Red Reco Music. I am here in Chicago's Midway Airport about to fly on board Southwest Airlines nonstop service to St. Louis, Missouri. Our gate today is B as in Bravo 1, right here in Concourse B. We have a departure time of 6:25, and we are scheduled to depart right on time tonight.
This is it right here.
I was on standby for this very full flight, and so I was given the boarding position of C as in Charlie 58, which in Southwest Airlines terms is dead last. So I grabbed the nearest empty seat I could find, which turned out to be a middle seat, 19B as in Bravo, on the left side. As I mentioned earlier in the description of the aircraft, this is a fairly new plane, only 6 years old, so the interiors look really new. Everything looks fresh from the seat back, and this legroom is okay. And yeah, even the overhead controls look pretty fresh.
Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest. Manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest. On an infant, flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed.
After reaching cruising altitude, the flight attendants started taking drink orders and distributing the snack mix bags. Southwest has a menu card in the seat back pocket where you can review the various drink choices that you may order, whether they're complimentary or premium. And of course, I got myself my usual cranberry cocktail. Cheers. Southwest is a bring your own device airline, and this flight does have Wi-Fi on board that you can pay for. That'll last you the duration of the flight, or you can simply watch free content from their entertainment tabs here. It's a 1-hour flight, so no. So after 1 hour flying 251 miles and no time zone change, we began our descent into St. Louis.
remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, seat back and tray tape on the floor by in lock position to make sure your carry items are completely stowed. When the captain does off the fasten seatbelt sign, please be careful when opening the overhead bin for items may have shifted and could fall out. If you're connecting here to the Southwest flight, you get the TV monitors inside the terminal to let you know where you're going to go. If you continue with us to Orlando, my one in front and the back, you remain seated, do not move. You're staying with us. Yeah, welcome to St. Louis, everyone. You can now use your cellular electronics as well. Yeah, you're welcome. Goodbye, guys.
We arrived right on time at 7:35 p.m. Central and pulled into gate E as in Echo 34 in St. Louis. Thank you guys for joining me on this flight. As always, please comment, like, and subscribe. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Welcome to Missouri.